Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair something like this. This is a chip in our engineered floor, and it's unsightly, but the bigger problem is that water can soak into this and cause additional damage. So first we want to color match that the best we can, and then after that we want to seal it so we don't have additional problems later. Now the easiest way to do a color match is with this. This is a pen set that has different colors of wood, different stains, and you can go in there and dab it on that. Now you don't want to directly start dabbing it on that. Grab a little piece of cardboard and test to get the closest color that you can find out of the set. Now these sets are available at your local hardware store, or I'll also have a link for these down below if you want to pick one up online. So the two closest wood stains in here are these. We've got the more of an oak color, which gets us to there. And then this wood does have some reds in it, which would be that one, which is way too dark. That might be closer if you're in this sort of a region. So we're going to start by going in there with this. And you can see already that is much, much closer. Now, if this is a bigger piece of damage, you will probably want to just remove the piece and replace it. But in the meantime, this will do. Now to get in there and seal our chip, we're going to be using wipe on poly. You want to use the wipe on stuff because this is thin, it'll soak in, and we're using clear satin because it best mimics the finish of our floor. You want to make sure you use a very fine tip paintbrush here because you just want to get it on the area in question. You don't want to get it all over your floor as well. And this stuff will soak in. That's exactly what you want, because if it soaks in, it's going to waterproof that area really well for you and seal it off so you don't get water into your floor, which will cause more damage. Now you can see there the spot has gotten darker. It will soak in and it will lighten up once it's dry. You may, after it soaks in and dry, want to give it a second coat to really seal it in. But that's all there is to it. You've now color matched your floor the best you can, and you've also got this thing waterproofed so you won't have additional problems in the future. So if this video helped you out, give it a great big thumbs up, go down and subscribe, check out the other videos we have because we've got a lot more really easy DIY home tricks on our channel. Thanks for watching.